Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows.
Look at the question. 8 into x upon 2 minus 5 equal to 7x plus 2. 8 into, take LCM, x minus 10 upon 2 equal to 7x plus 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 4 into x minus 10 equal to 7x plus 2. Multiply 4x minus 40 equal to 7x plus 2. Now combine the like term. 4x minus 7x equal to 40 plus 2. Minus 3x equal to 45. Minus 3x upon minus 3x equal to 42 upon minus 3. X equal to minus 14. X equal to minus 14 is the answer of this linear equation. Now another question. 3 into 2x plus 5 minus 2x equal to 3 into x plus 6. Open the bracket. 6x plus 15 minus 2x equal to 3x plus 18. 6x minus 2x equal to 4x plus 15, 3x plus 18. Combine the like term. 4x minus 3x equal to 18 minus 15. X equal to 3. X equal to 3 is the answer of this linear equation. Another question. 5x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 3x minus 14. Now open this bracket. 5x plus 4x minus 2 equal to 3x minus 14. 5x plus 4, 9x minus 2 equal to 3x minus 14. 6x equal to minus 12. Divide both sides on this coefficient. 6 upon 6, x equal to minus 12 upon 6, x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 is the correct answer of this linear equation. Look at the question. 3 into x plus 4 plus 5 into x plus 3 equal to 2x minus 27. Open the bracket. 3x plus 12 plus 5 x plus 15 equal to 2x minus 27. This is equal to 8x plus 27 equal to 2x minus 27. Combine like term. To 8x minus 2x equal to minus 27 minus 27. 6x equal to minus 54. Divide by this coefficient on both sides. 6x upon 6 minus 54 upon 6. X equal to minus 9. X equal to minus 9 is the answer of this linear equation. Now another question. Ax plus b upon c equal to cx plus b upon a. Now combine like term. Ax minus cx equal to ba upon bc. X is common. A minus c into x equal to, take LCM of a and c. A and c is equal to bc minus ab. Here b is common. C minus a. Here a minus c into x. Divide by a minus c on both sides. A minus c upon a minus c into x equal to, this is c minus a and including minus, this is equal to a minus c. b into a minus c upon ac into a minus c. AC cancel, AC cancel. X equal to minus b upon ac. X equal to minus b upon ac is the answer of this linear equation. Look at the question. X minus a upon l plus x minus b upon m equal to al plus bm upon lm. Take LCM of Lm. This is equal to m into x minus a plus l into x minus b upon Lm equal to al plus bm upon Lm. Lm cancel. Mx minus ma plus lx minus lb equal to al plus bm. mx plus lx. M plus l, x is common, minus ma minus lb equal to al plus bm. M plus L into X equal to AL plus BL plus AM plus BM. Here L is common, A plus B. Here M is common, A plus B. M plus L into X equal to A plus B is again common, A plus B into L plus M. Now divide both sides on this coefficient. M plus M, M plus L equal to A plus B into L plus M upon L plus M. L plus M, L plus M cancel. X equal to AB. This is the answer of this linear equation. Now another question. 4x plus 3 upon 9 plus 2x upon 5 equal to 3x plus 2 upon 15. Now 4x plus 3 upon 9 equal to 3x plus 2 upon 15 minus 2x upon 5. 4x plus 3 upon 9 equal to 3x plus 2 minus 6x upon 15, because 15 and 5 LCM of 5 and 15 equal to 15. Now 4x plus 3 upon 9 equal to minus 3x plus 2 upon 15. According to cross multiplication, 15 into 4x plus 3 equal to 9 into minus 3x plus 2. 15 4s are 60x plus 15 3s are 45 minus 27x plus 9 2s are 18. 60x plus 27x equal to 18 minus 45, 87x equal to minus 27. Divide by this coefficient on both sides. 87 upon 87 into x equal to minus 27 upon 87. X equal to minus 9 upon 29. X equal to minus 9 upon 29 is the right answer of this linear equation.
Look at the question. X upon A plus X upon B plus X upon C equal to AB plus BC plus CA upon ABC. Now take LCM of ABC. ABC is the LCM. This is equal to BC into X plus AC into X plus AB into X equal to AB plus BC plus CA upon ABC. Now here X is common. BC plus CA plus AB into X upon ABC equal to AB plus BC plus CA. ABC, ABC. Cancel. BC plus CA plus AB into X equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Now divide both sides by this coefficient. BC plus C plus EB upon BC plus C plus EB into X equal to AB plus BC plus CA upon AB plus BC plus CA. This is equal to 1. This is cancel. X equal to 1. X equal to 1 is the answer of this linear equation. Now another question. 2x upon 3 minus x upon 4 equal to x upon 5 minus x upon 6 plus 23. Take LCM of 3 and 4, which is 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 4 into 2x minus 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 3x equal to, take LCM of 5, 6 equal to 30. 5 6 are 30. 6x minus 6 ones are 6, 6 5s are 35x plus 23. Open it. 4 into 2 8x minus 3x upon 12 equal to x upon 30 plus 23. 5x upon 12 minus x upon 30 equal to 23. Take LCM of 12 and 30, which is 60. 25x minus 2x equal to 23. 23x upon 60 equal to 23. Now divide both sides by this coefficient. 23 upon 6 divide by 23 upon 6 or 60 upon 23, x equal to 23 into 60 upon 23. 23 cancel, 23 cancel, 60 cancel, x equal to 60. X equal to 60 is the right answer of this linear equation. Look at the question. 13 minus 9 minus x upon 11 equal to 3x upon 22 plus 12 whole 1 upon 2. 13 minus 25 upon 2, 25, 2 12s are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2 equal to 3x upon 22 plus 9 minus x upon 11. 26 minus 25 upon 2 equal to 3x plus 2 into 9 minus x upon 22. 1 upon 2 equal to 3x plus 18 minus 2x upon 22. 1 upon 2 equal to x plus 18 upon 22. 22 equal to 2 into x plus 18. 22 equal to 2x plus 36. 2x equal to 22 minus 36. 2x equal to minus 14. Divide by this coefficient. 2 upon 2 into x equal to minus 14 upon 2, x equal to minus 7. X equal to minus 7 is the answer of this linear equation. Now another question. 2.25x minus 0.125 equal to 3x plus 3.175. Combine the right term. 2.25x minus 3x equal to 3.175 plus 0.125. This is equal to 0 minus 0.75x equal to 3.3. Divide by this coefficient on both sides. Minus 0.75 upon minus 0.75x equal to 3.3 upon minus 0.75. This is equal to minus 4.5. Minus 4.5 is the answer of this linear equation. Look at the question. 6 minus x minus 1 upon 2 minus x minus 2 upon 3 equal to 3 minus x upon 4. Now take LCM of 2 and 3. This is equal to 36 minus 3 into x minus 1 minus 2 into x minus 2 upon 6 equal to 3 minus x upon 4. Open the bracket. 36 minus 3x plus 3 minus 2x plus 4 upon 6 equal to 3 minus x upon 4. This is equal to 43 minus 5x upon 6 equal to 3x minus 3 minus x upon 4. According to cross multiplication, 4 into 43 minus 5x equal to 6 into 3 minus x. Open the bracket. 4 into 43 equal to 172 minus 20x equal to 18 minus 6x minus 20x plus 6x equal to 18 minus 172. This is equal to minus 14x equal to minus 152. Divide by this coefficient on both sides. Minus 14 upon minus 14 into x equal to minus 154 upon 14. X equal to 11. X equal to 11 is the answer of this linear equation. Now another equation. X upon 4 minus 5x plus 8 upon 6 equal to 2x minus 9 upon 3. X upon 4 equal to 2x minus 9 upon 3 plus 5x plus 8 upon 6. Now take LCM of 3 and 6, which is 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 into 2x minus 9 plus 6 ones are 6. 5x plus 8. Open the bracket. 4x minus 18 plus 5x plus 8 upon 6. X upon 4 equal to 9x minus 10 upon 6. Again cross multiplication. 6x equal to 4 into 9x minus 10. 6x equal to 36x minus 40. 6x minus 36x equal to minus 40. minus 30x equal to minus 40. Divide both sides on this coefficient minus 30 upon minus 30 into x equal to minus 40 upon minus 30, x equal to 4 upon 3. This is equal to 1 whole 1 upon 3. This is the answer of this linear equation. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.